beautiful day, James. Don't you think so?
Yes, it's perfect. I love sunny weather. It makes me feel happy.
Me too. So, what do you usually do when the weather is nice like this?
I like to go outside and draw. Nature inspires me.
Oh, that sounds amazing. What do you draw?
Mostly trees, flowers, and sometimes birds. Nature has so many beautiful things to see.
That's true. Do you always draw outside?
Not always. Sometimes I draw at home when it's rainy or cold, but drawing outside feels different. It's peaceful.
I agree. By the way, do you paint too, or just draw?
I do both. I love painting with watercolors. They are soft and colorful. What about you? What do you do in your free time?
Well, I love reading books. I have a big bookshelf at home.
Really? What kind of books do you have?
A bit of everything, but I enjoy adventure stories the most. They take me to new places.
Adventure stories are fun. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, it's Treasure Island. Have you read it?
I know it. It's about pirates and treasure maps, right?
Exactly. It's so exciting. I've read it 3 times.
Wow, 3 times. Do you ever write your own stories?
Sometimes, yes. I write short stories when I have a good idea.
That's great. You should share them with me. Maybe I can draw pictures for your stories.
That's a wonderful idea. We could make a storybook together.
Yes, we could. By the way, do you like outdoor activities too?
Oh yes, I enjoy gardening. It's one of my favorite hobbies.
Gardening? That's cool. What do you grow?
I grow flowers like roses and tulips, and also vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers.
That's so interesting. Do you take care of your garden every day?
Yes, I water the plants and check them for bugs. It's a lot of work, but I enjoy it.
It must be nice to grow your own vegetables.
It is. They taste fresh and healthy. You should try gardening too.
Maybe I will. It sounds fun, but I don't know where to start.
Don't worry, I can help you. We can plant flowers together.
That's a great idea. Thanks, Anna.
No problem. Do you have any other hobbies?
Well, I also enjoy listening to music. It helps me relax.
Me too. What kind of music do you like?
I like classical music. It's calming. What about you?
I like pop music. It's fun and energetic.
That's nice. Do you sing too?
No, I'm not a good singer, but I like humming along to songs.
That's still great. Music makes everything better.
True. Oh, look at the time. We've been talking for so long.
Yes, but it was a fun conversation. I learned a lot about you.
Same here. Let's do this again soon. Maybe we can meet in the garden next time.
That sounds perfect. See you later, Anna.
See you, James.
Sunny. Today is a sunny day. I love walking outside when the weather is sunny. Repeat 10 seconds. Draw. I like to draw pictures of animals. She draws beautiful flowers in her notebook. Repeat 10 seconds. Nature. Nature is full of amazing colors. We should spend more time in nature. Repeat 10 seconds. Paint. He paints with bright colors. I want to paint a picture of the sunset. Repeat 10 seconds. Adventure. Reading adventure books is exciting. They went on an adventure in the jungle. Repeat 10 seconds. Story. She writes short stories in her free time. My grandmother tells me interesting stories. Repeat 10 seconds. Garden. There are many flowers in our garden. She works in the garden every morning. Repeat 10 second. Sing. She loves to sing in the shower. We sang a song together at the party. Repeat 10 second. Fun. The festival was so much fun. Playing games with friends is fun. Repeat 10 second. Relax. Reading a book helps me relax. He relaxes by drinking tea and listening to music. Repeat 10 second. Meet. Let's meet at the cafe tomorrow. I like to meet new people. Repeat 10 second.